Hello and welcome to lesson 37 in the creation of our school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word with the GeForce IT Service Academy on YouTube. Please, in our previous lesson, we dealt with how to demarcate the various signature sections of the teacher's Emis data table. So in this lesson, we are going to continue and do some cell referencing. So if you are new to the channel, please make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the end. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all. The reason why you need to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell icon for all is to help you to receive notifications of all the new videos that we are going to upload onto this particular one and only educative channel on YouTube. Please make sure that you share the video with your friends. Don't forget to check the description of this video. Check the description of this video to get more video links on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. Please make sure that you watch from lesson 1 up to the final lesson so that you'll be able to understand everything that we are doing on this particular educative channel on how to create a school management system using Microsoft Excel and Word. Please make sure you watch this particular video or this particular lesson from the beginning to the end so that you'll be able to understand everything. All right, so thank you very much. Now, without wasting much time, let's just get started without any delay. All right, so as I said earlier, we are going to do some cell referencing. We are going to refer data once again from the teacher's detail sheet here or the teacher's details table here to the teacher's Emis data table here. So we are done with this side. So we are moving to this side of the teacher's Emis data table. So let's just get it started. That was the main reason why we need to demarcate all the signature sections of this particular table so that we can be able to refer data from the teacher's detail sheet here to the teacher's Emis data table without any stress and without any challenge. So the only thing that you need to do is to make sure that you watch the video from the beginning to the end so that you will not encounter any challenge. All right, so let's start from the first teacher here. So what we are going to do is we are going to insert our equal to sign here, starting from the serial number here. This particular section or this particular column is representing the first teacher, is representing a particular teacher. It's going to contain the details of a particular teacher in our school. So you insert your equal to sign like this, then we go to the teacher's detail table or the teacher's details sheet here. We click on it, then we select the first ID here. We select this one like this, then you hit enter on your keyboard, then we have it appearing here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to drag it to the last end so that we can be able to autofill the rest of the details of that particular teacher in this system. So please take your time and do it so that you will not destroy the whole system. So we have it there perfectly. So if you are able to drag it and move it up to that side, you should be able to have all the details in that particular system there. Now we are done with that of the first teacher. So the next thing that we are going to do is to move to the next teacher. So serial number 2 or ID number 2. So what we are going to do is that we are going to insert the equal to sign like this, open the teacher's detail sheet, then we click on 2, we hit enter. So this is going to represent all the details of the second teacher. Is going to refer or transfer all the details of a particular teacher to this side here. So please make sure that you take your time and do it well. Good. So we have that one too there. The zeros are appearing there because there is no detail in that system for that particular teacher. So have you seen it? Please, have you seen this thing here? So we need to undo this action and redo it again. That is why we need to demarcate all the signature sections or the signature columns of this particular table. Okay, so let's drag it once again. Let's drag it to the last end. Let's make sure that it doesn't cross any signature section like this. So let's go back and check it and see if it is really working. Good. So we have it here. We have teacher number 2 here. we have teacher number 2 here. So we are going to do it for the third teacher. We are going to do that same thing for the third teacher. So let's scroll to the other side. So we are continuing from here. We are going to continue from here. So we are going to continue from this side here. So let's insert our equal to sign again. Then we go to the teacher's detail sheet. So this is for the third teacher. So click on the 3 there, or tap on the 3, then we hit enter. We should be able to have the 3 appearing here. So the only thing we'll do is to drag it from this side here to this side. So we have everything appearing in our system here without any stress and without any problem. All right, so let's move to the fourth teacher. Let's move to the fourth teacher here. So insert your equal to sign. Then we open the teacher's detail sheet here. Then we select number 4. This is the main reason why I said in our previous videos that we need to number the ID columns. That is the main reason why I said we should number the ID columns in our previous video. So let's drag it to the last end again. Please take your time and do it so that it will not destroy our work. Good. So we move to the next signature section here like this. Good. So we have it appearing there. So we are going to the 5th one. We are going to the 5th teacher. Let me just check something here. Good. So we are going to the 5th teacher. We want to refer the data or all the details of the 5th teacher to this particular section of the teacher's Emis data table. So you insert your equal to sign. Then we open this particular teacher's detail sheet. Then we select 5. We hit enter. We should be able to see all the details here. So let's just drag it to the last end like this. Then we have everything appearing there. The reason why the zeros are appearing there is that we don't have any detail in the system for those particular teachers. So we are going to refer the data of the safe teacher. So you select 6 here. Then after selecting the 6, you hit enter like this. Then let's drag it to the last end. Let's move to the last end here. So let's place our mouse pointer here. Then we drag it. You left click and hold, then you drag it. Please make sure that you left click and hold. Let your hand remain on the keyboard like that. Then you move it. So we have these details appearing in the system here without any stress and without any problem. But because we don't want this video to be long, we don't want this lesson to be long, I would like to end it here and continue in lesson 38. So thank you very much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell icon for all, so that you receive more notifications from us, so that you receive new videos from us. Drop your comment in the comment section, and please don't forget to save your work. So Ctrl S to save your work. So Ctrl S, then you click on OK. Then your work is saved successfully. Please, let's meet in lesson 38. In lesson 38, we are going to continue and refer data from the teacher's detail table to the teacher's Emis data table. So thank you very much for watching this video. Let's meet in lesson 38. Bye bye.